Hey, I recently invested in a few buy-to-let properties from Galaxy of Homes, and it has been a super easy ride.
Wonderful, but I suppose their services must be too expensive.
With the kind of service they offer, I wouldn't mind paying them their fees.
But wouldn't it make sense to do a few of the things yourself to save costs?
I wouldn't do that. With a fee of £4,200 including VAT, they find the best deals on the market and pass the discounts on to the customers. I wouldn't dare to do it on my own.
But what about other fees?
Apart from sourcing fees, they either charge 8% or 12% of the rent as property management fee.
That sounds pretty fair. But what if the tenant fails to pay the rent?
Exactly. That's why you should go for the 12% option, because they offer rent protection, which is not available if you choose to pay 8%.
Amazing, that's a great deal. But I have one more thing in mind. How much did it cost to refurb the property?
The total refurb cost stood out at £22,000, which may sound like a lot, but trust me, it isn't. They follow strict quality control over what they use, and all their properties look the same from within, which adds a great value to your property. Restoring and improving a dilapidated house takes a lot of manpower and materials, which justifies the cost.
Really? After hearing everything you just said, I don't think I can find a more comfortable way to generate passive income. Thanks for this valuable insight.